There are AI websites hidden all over the internet that can make your life so much easier, but most people have no idea they exist. So today, we're going through 10 AI sites you'll wish you found earlier because they save time, save money, and unlock things you didn't even know were possible. And once you start using these tools, they quickly become part of your daily routine, the kind of websites you keep bookmarked because you end up using them again and again. These aren't just cool tools. These are practical websites that genuinely improve your workflow, your creativity, and your productivity. 1. Perplexity.ai. Perplexity is like Google, but smarter, faster, and way more accurate. Instead of giving you a list of links, Perplexity goes out, reads everything for you, and returns a clean explanation in plain English, with sources included at the bottom. It's incredibly useful for anything you need to learn: health questions, business ideas, complicated topics, homework, financial concepts, travel planning, or anything you'd normally spend an hour researching. It also gives you follow-up suggestions so you can explore topics deeper without even thinking about what to ask next. For anyone who wants fast clarity without getting overwhelmed by search results, this site becomes a daily essential. 2. Cleanup.pictures. Cleanup.pictures is one of those tools that feels like magic the first time you use it. You take a photo, swipe your mouse over anything you want gone, and the AI cleans it instantly. People in the background, objects, text, logos, reflections, shadows, random clutter, all gone in one smooth stroke. The results look shockingly realistic, especially for something so simple and free. If you post on social media, run a business, design content, or just want your pictures to look cleaner, this becomes an instant favorite. It saves you from using complicated software. You literally fix a photo in seconds. 3. 10web.io. Building a website used to take hours, days, or even weeks. But 10web does the entire thing for you automatically. You choose your industry, write a simple description of what you want, and the AI generates a complete website. The layout, the images, the branding, the text, the sections, everything is done for you. You can then customize it if you want, but the hardest part is already finished. It's perfect for beginners launching their first business, freelancers who need something fast, or anyone who wants a clean website without paying hundreds of dollars. It turns a stressful project into something you can finish in minutes. 4. Descript.com. Descript is hands down one of the most revolutionary editing tools online. Instead of dragging clips on a timeline, Descript lets you edit video exactly like a Word document. You delete a sentence in the transcript, and Descript deletes that part of the video. You move a paragraph, and the footage rearranges itself. It also fixes bad audio, removes filler words automatically, generates captions, records your screen, and even lets you clone your voice for narration. It makes video editing faster, cleaner, and accessible even to people who hate editing. Once you try Descript, traditional editing feels painfully slow. 5. FutureTools.io. FutureTools is like an AI treasure map. It collects hundreds of the best AI tools from across the internet and organizes them into clean categories: writing, automation, photo editing, research, coding, business tools, content creation, and more. If you're ever wondering, is there an AI that can help me with this? FutureTools makes it extremely easy to find. You can sort by popularity, newest tools, or even by the exact task you're trying to accomplish. It's one of the fastest ways to discover new AI tools without spending hours browsing random websites or watching dozens of videos. 6. Character.ai. Character.ai lets you talk to AI personalities that feel surprisingly real. There are teachers, therapists, productivity coaches, fitness trainers, language partners, philosophers, celebrities, fictional characters, anything you can imagine. You can practice interviews, brainstorm business ideas, learn new skills, get personalized advice, or simply have fun conversations that feel natural and engaging. You can even create your own custom character with a personality you design. Whether you need motivation, emotional support, learning help, or creativity, this site is shockingly powerful and incredibly entertaining. 7. ScribbleDiffusion.com. This website turns your messy sketches into polished images. You draw a simple doodle with your mouse, even if it looks terrible, and the AI transforms it into a clean, professional-looking illustration. It's perfect for creating logo concepts, app designs, product ideas, thumbnails, posters, or just visualizing random ideas quickly. What makes it so addictive is how easy it is. You don't need to know how to draw, and you still get amazing results. It's a pure creativity unlocked with almost zero effort. 8. PDF.ai. PDF.ai turns long documents into interactive chats. Upload any PDF, contracts, reports, textbooks, manuals, research papers, bank documents, and instead of reading the whole thing, you can simply ask questions. What does Section 4 mean? Give me a summary. Explain this in simple terms. You get clean answers instantly. It's unbelievably useful for students, professionals, business owners, researchers, or anyone dealing with long, boring documents. It saves you from hours of reading and gives you exactly what you need. 9. Gamma.app, AI decks. Gamma turns your ideas into beautiful presentations, documents, or even mini websites automatically. You type a topic, choose a style, and the AI builds the entire structure: slides, images, colors, layout, formatting, everything. You can regenerate different versions until you find the one you like. It's perfect for school, work, client presentations, pitches, proposals, content creation. Anything where you need something clean and professional fast. 10. Soundraw.io. Soundraw creates original music using AI, and it's shockingly good. You choose the mood, genre, tempo, and length, and the site composes a full track instantly. It's perfect for YouTube videos, business projects, advertisements, presentations, or anything that needs background music without copyright problems. No music skills needed. The AI handles it for you. It's one of the easiest ways to get professional music when you don't want to search for hours. These 10 AI websites aren't just interesting. They're genuinely useful. They help you learn faster, work smarter, create easier, and save hours of time every single week. Once you start using them, you'll see how much time you were wasting doing everything the old way. If you want more AI tools and faceless systems that work while you don't, subscribe for more.